I just want to thank y'all for joining me. Bless. Have you ever had powdery mildew? I took some whole milk, a shot of vinegar, and set it out, and the curds locked right on up. Look at that. I never knew that's what little Miss Muffet was sitting there eating. I'm going to take it and I'm going to strain out the solids. I'm trying to prevent the sprayer from getting clogged up. You're supposed to just take it and mist your plant, and whatever it does, it's supposed to prevent the powdery mildew from even attaching to a plant. We'll see how it works. Got all the solids out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and restrain this again. Okay, I'm gonna get in here, spray this on these cucumbers, making sure to get on top of and up underneath all the leaves, giving it the general mist. I'm gonna check back on this next week, let y'all see how it's going. It's just our little test run. Okay, we're gonna get back on this gelato OG stick training. She was looking a little thin in the wind right there. Let's build, good people, let's build. That stick training. You see, we got a whole lot of new growth. I had a grummy concerned about yellowing leaves. Don't even worry about them. You get in here and clean these up. That's just part of the process. You can see how many heads we got. I'm about to get in here and clean it up. Okay, I'm just gonna get in here and get off these little yellow leaves. Anything don't look like it's gonna turn up. Real easy. Real easy. Spin her around, do the same thing. Rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat.